Entropy is an audiovisual installation that I created for the Chorlton Arts Festival, which has been taking place for the last 2 weeks here in Manchester. And my aim was to create an audiovisual installation out of the club nights and to create like a new dimension made of lights and 6 different layers of veil material, which is semi-transparent, so you can see the light coming through it. So basically what I wanted to create is like an intimate area where the viewer can just get down and forget themselves for just 6 minutes and transport them into like a new dimension and like creating like a tunnel of light. The installation is basically made of transparent material and a projector at the rear. The projector is basically a very wide-angled one, because the structure is really close to the projector and the space to do the installation was really narrow, really small. So I had to think about how many layers do you want to get the right amount of light and how much distance you want to get from the first layer to the projector. It has some LED lights around the edges of the structure, so the LEDs go according with the sound and the lights. So it's really simple on the essence, but it's quite intricate to get the right animation and the right amount of light to get the viewer into that 3-dimensional space. That's how I wanted to get the viewer. So I really wanted to just get people in groups by 5, because that way you can get the most experience of it. I really wanted to get a like immersive experience, so that was really my aiming. I think it's been really hard work for the last month or so, and I got a really good support from my friend Juan, Manzed, who's a creative design, and I'm surrounded with a lot of good friends who helped me a lot doing all the logistics and the transformation of the space. I think the outcome was really good, but it's always certain bits that you're always thinking to get improved, and every time I see the projection, I always thinking I need to get that bit better, I need to get that little milliseconds, I need to change that. So it's always like a learning process, isn't it? So yeah, it's very good experience.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer. Fear is the little death that brings total obliteration. I will face my...
And I have to say thank you for the Chorlton Arts Festival organisation and the guy who owns the Mota at Chorlton, which is a brilliant hosting for these events.